Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to implement natural language processing with Perplexity AI. Natural language processing can help you analyze and understand human language, making your applications smarter and more interactive. So let's get started. First of all, visit the Perplexity AI website at perplexity.ai and sign up for an API key if you have not already. You can do it by simply sign up first of all on your Perplexity AI platform and then get on the bottom left corner. Now select the settings icon. Now select API section, which is on the top right corner. Now select docs. Now select get started. And here you can get the process of how to get an API key. This key will allow you to access Perplexity AI natural language processing services. Next, set up your development environment. Make sure you have the necessary libraries and dependencies installed to interact with the Perplexity AI API. Prepare your text data for processing. This could be anything from customer reviews to social media posts or any other textual content you want to analyze. Integrate the Perplexity AI API into your application by configuring it to send your text data for NLP processing. This will involve setting up the appropriate API endpoints and handling the requests and responses. Use Perplexity AI's NLP features to analyze your text data. This can include tasks such as sentiment analysis, text classification, entity recognition, and many more. Review the results provided by Perplexity AI and integrate them into your application. Ensure that the insights gained from the NLP processing are used effectively to enhance your application's functionality. Monitor the performance of your NLP implementation and make adjustments as needed. Continuously refine and optimize your integration to ensure the best results. And that's it. By following these steps, you can implement natural language processing with Perplexity AI, making your applications smarter and more interactive. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.